Hi tech enthusiasts! Welcome to our channel FASTCABLING, and we're going to unlock the full potential of your IP camera for precise human and object detection. Previously, we dived deep into the pixel density of IP camera clarity. And today in this video, we're going to walk you through the lens adjustment process to maximize pixel density and ensuring unparalleled clarity and accuracy in your surveillance footage. So get ready to elevate your security game to the next level. Today, we are going to view what's opposite outdoor. And we are going to adjust our lens manually. So let's see how it will look like. We are going to adjust it using our fingers. So we mentioned about pixel density. Pixel density is important. It refers to the number of pixels within a given area of a display or image sensor. It is the measure of how tightly packed the pixels are. And the higher the pixel density, the more pixels there are per unit of space. And is often measured as pixel per inch in a display device, and they play a crucial role in determining the clarity and detail of visual content. Whether it's on a monitor, smartphone screen, or a camera screen, pixel density directly influences the sharpness and quality of images. As technology advances, finding the right balance in pixel density becomes instrumental in delivering visually stunning and precise content across a variety of applications. And if you want to know more about pixel densities, here's the video you can watch. So when it comes to achieving clarity in imaging, it is essential to recognize that resolution is just one piece of the puzzle. The camera lens, an often overlooked but critical component, play a pivotal role in determining the overall image quality and clarity. While resolution refers to the number of pixels in an image, clarity is influenced by several factors, and the lens is a significant contributor. A high-resolution image might still lack clarity if the lens does not capture and focus on the light effectively. And the lens influences pixel density by determining how well it can focus light onto individual pixels. And a high-quality lens contributes to a more accurate representation of details, maximizing the potential of pixel density. And choosing the right lens influences the clarity and detail captured by the camera. Various lens types such as fixed focal length, zoom lenses, and wide-angle lenses offer distinct characteristics that impact the pixel density. And the choice between these lenses involves trade-off between the factors like field of view, depth of field, and image distortion. And for surveillance purposes, understanding your specific need is the key. Fixed focal length lenses are ideal for capturing detailed images in a specific area, while zoom lenses provide flexibility for adjusting the field of view. And wide-angle lenses cover a large area but might sacrifice details. So considering the desired surveillance range, lighting condition, and environmental factors when selecting the lens that can optimally balance the pixel density with the overall surveillance objectives, and ensuring sharp and clear image for effective security monitoring. So for recommendations, we have two cameras here connected to the NVR. One is motorized lens and the other one is the varifocal lens. This one up here is our 8 megapixel IR IP camera with motorized lens. Now they're useful in situations where you need to monitor a large area and need to zoom in on specific detail. It has 2.8 to a 12 millimeters motorized lens, allow you to adjust the focal length remotely with no manual adjustment required. And also the bullet camera provide excellent night vision, which is up to 30 meters IR range, and allow you to monitor your property or premises even in complete darkness, and also equipped with human and vehicle detection, and ensure that you never miss an important event. And the one below here is our 8 megapixel PoE bullet IR IP camera with 5 to 50 millimeters varifocal lens. Now this is a high quality and professional grade surveillance camera that delivers exceptional image clarity and superior performance, crystal clear video in 8 megapixel, ensuring that every detail is possible. And also offer round-the-clock surveillance over your property, which is perfect for parking lot and focusing on license plates too, and enabling closer framing of subject or distinct object. And this is useful for capturing details from a distance or scenario where a narrow field of view is preferred. And actually, adjusting the focal length manually is actually very easy. All you need to do is open up the cap here and put your fingers inside. Now I'm going to show you how we can adjust the lens. So we actually have two panels. One is adjusting the focus. As you can see, now we are zooming in. And the other panel here, we can adjust the clarity. Just like this. And to find the precise image, you can scroll it around to the left and the right so you can find the perfect moment and slowly adjusting it. As you can see, now we already focus to the building that's outside. This is the zooming level. If you don't want to zoom in that close, all you need to do is zoom out and then adjust the focus again, just like this. And also, we can do it some more. So you can see how we can adjust the focus by testing it. Just tilt it left and right. And you can zoom in on a very specific detail and adjust the focus again by slowly tilting the panel to different angle. And then you can find the perfect focus. You can even see the movement across the building. So I just show you how to manually adjust the lenses. And actually, we do have two cameras connected to the NVR. This one, we can motorizedly zoom the lenses. All we need to do is adjust the lens on your NVR. So first, we're going to right-click it. Go to the PTZ control. Here we can see the zoom plus and minus button. All we need to do is press down the plus button. And as you can see, it's zooming in already. And if you want to zoom out, just hit minus. So you don't need to manually adjust the lens, but do it on an NVR. So establishing the optimal pixel density for your specific surveillance needs require a careful balance. You should consider factors such as the criticality of monitoring certain area and the desired level of detail, and also the concept of pixel per foot or meter based on the specific dimension of the surveillance area. You can utilize formulas or leverage online tool designed for calculating pixel density adjustment. And this calculation will guide you in determining the necessary adjustment to achieve the desired level of clarity and detection capability. And actually, there are a few common mistakes during the lens adjustment, such as improper focal length setting, troubleshooting overexposure issues by adjusting the camera setting like aperture or exposure time. And for underexposure, ensure sufficient lighting or adjust the camera sensitivity setting. Poor focus can be addressed by refining the camera's autofocus or manual focus setting. And troubleshooting tips including checking for lens cleanliness, ensuring the lens is securely mounted, and reviewing the environmental factors that may impact the image quality. And regularly monitoring and fine-tuning the camera setting is needed to maintain optimal pixel density and surveillance performance. So that's all for today. Thank you very much for joining us. And also, if you have any questions with your surveillance system design, please feel free to contact us through the link down in the description box below. And our team of experts will provide you with the solution that tailor to your specific need.